it's going to be a little tight. You know it as well as I do.
Yep.
But just use it. You know how to get around these cats?
My name's Dave Simpson. I got my brother Jody Simpson here. We are Blind Luck Racing. This was started 2.5 years ago to help my brother Jody out, who lost his sight, and we were doing things a little different around here and chasing a dream of working on race cars still without sight.
Be smart.
All right, see you in Victory Lane.
Be there, waiting on you.
Actually, it's been a lot to learn what Jody can still do after losing his sight.
It's just been, for me, relearning what I can do and how I can help. Was doing it with both my brothers. Started coming here long before I lost my sight. We got started in 1989 at the Kalamazoo Speedway, and then when I lost my sight, David pretty much got out of it. And then a couple years ago, Thanksgiving, he asked me what my thoughts were building one of these little things, and I was like, heck yeah, we'll give it a shot.
It means a lot to me to give this opportunity to him to use his mind still to be about something. On social media, we got people all across the country that are watching us, and that's one thing we want to try to do is show that you can still do it no matter what your handicap, disability, or whatever that might be. There's still something out here for you to do.
Oy vey, this is the part where I get antsy. I'm glad I can't see him take the green flag. My brain can still put the picture together. On this thing, we purposely exit the exhaust out the driver's side so I can hear where he's at on the racetrack. So it makes it a little easier for me to follow.
I would say he's gotten better because he can hear things that most people can't. He's diagnosed motor issues that people wouldn't even understand, and when we've had those issues and we're able to save him, it's just a huge thing. It's a huge blessing to me and this team to have him here and to be able to do those things. It's just helped us get closer to each other and just really enjoy our time together.
It means a lot, brings us closer together. Hopefully we can wind up tonight, getting the win and making it number 10. It'd be 10 out of 16 features. So hopefully that'll happen.
Awesome.
And it was tight, wasn't it?
It's getting free on entry, but it wasn't listening.
Yeah, I can hear you playing the throttle. Good job. Even at the end of the night, my brain still runs the race through my head from the sounds. Our race motto is, we hear what you see.